Hey guys, how's it going? Today is Saturday, October 24th when I'm actually recording this video, and I'm actually already preparing myself for this upcoming week. Now, this week is actually pretty important. It is the last week before the elections, so I actually just want to see how the market is going to react. Now, usually I would make my analysis on a Sunday, slightly before the market opened or around 4 or 5 p.m. when the market opened, but I decided to change that. So now I'm doing it either on Friday or Saturday, and I decided to do that right now. I am going to be recording everything throughout the week so you guys can see everything that I'm doing to manage my positions and anything trading related, right? But with that being said, let's get to the charts. Let's see what I'm able to see, and hopefully we have some great setups for this upcoming week. Does it for right now. I did all my weekly recap. I'm already prepared for the week. I am actually going to journal because I like to journal my positions and my analysis to see what's going on, and so I can actually review that at the end of the week. But that's all boring stuff. There's no need for me to have you guys along with that. I'll possibly update this maybe on Sunday, if not on Monday, to see what's going on. It does look like a very promising week. Hopefully we can end this in a very good week. A couple hundred pips of profit would be ideal, but we'll see what happens. But with that being said, I'll see you in the next couple of days, all right? Hey guys, so just giving you guys an update of what's going on. I have a lot of things actually going up. It's about to be 8:30 on a Tuesday the 27th. And I have 4 pending orders. As you can see, I have 4 pending orders of 2 different pairs. The USD CAD one is this one right here that I have a sell limit, and I'm expecting to bank in about 4.4%, right? Had lots of confluence in this area. Everything is looking good. The thing is, on this chart over here, I have an ABO entry. This is a strategy because I have a higher high, and usually I'll place a buy stop. I have this buy stop for 3.43%. What this means is that there's a chance that the sell limit can be activated and it can go all the way down and we make some money. But if for some reason USD CAD explodes, I will lose the sell limit and I'll profit off of the buy stop. And usually once this reaches a stop loss, I'll modify this one to break even. So my risk is at 1%. But these types of scenarios are very good because I'm almost guaranteeing profit, at least 2.43%, which is good. And I have the same scenario here on NZD USD. As you can see, I have a sell limit placed right here. It's already active and everything. But I also have, and this one's a little bit more difficult to see, I have a buy stop. The sell limit is going for 5.43%, while the buy stop is only going for 2%. It's a little bit tight. Ideally, what I would love to happen is for me to win the sell on the New Zealand USD. Hopefully this one does not get activated. Lose the sell limit here, but win the buy stop here. If that happens, I'll have 3.43% plus another 5.43%. So we're talking about 9% with these 2 trades. And with the loss of here, that'll put me back at like 8.5%. And hopefully the buy stop does not activate for NZD USD. If this one activates, we can possibly end up with 7%. So 7 to 8% is ideally what I'm looking to go for. But these are going to be the only positions I'm going to be placing for right now. I have alerts set for each time I want to move to break even. So I have everything set up. We'll have to wait and see. Hopefully the next update is going to be in profit, but I'm very excited that I'm sharing this with you guys because it's very, very interesting. So you guys can see how I actually have all my positions and how I'm actually planning on hedging them to, at the end of the day, leave with profit. But as of right now, that is the update.
I'll check in with you guys a couple of days to see if anything interesting happens. So hopefully, future Ivan is running in some nice profit. But with that being said, that is the update as of right now.
And it is the end of the week. It is Friday, October 30th, the second to last day of this month, and we're officially done. I actually closed my week 2 days ago, but I'm just giving the update as of right now. And it was a very good week. Last time I talked to you guys, I was telling you about all the pending orders that I have and everything that was going on. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I hardly ever have that many pending orders. I had placed 4 pending orders, and I had the sell and the buy. And normally that'd be pretty dumb because you're like, oh, you're gonna lose one and all that information. But I had a reason to enter each and every one of these positions. And ideally, I wanted the US dollar to become stronger. That was my main goal. I just wanted to have more dollar strength. That way I could potentially profit off of USD CAD longs and profit off of NZD USD shorts. These were everything that had provided some great entries. And needless to say, I lost that USD CAD short that I had placed. That sell limit was a losing trade. I lost 1% right there. However, I actually profited off of that USD CAD buy. It hit our take profit to the pip, to the exact pip. It did actually overextend a little bit more, giving us about 3.5% profit, which is, of course, it's obviously very nice. And the NZD USD short was also extremely good. We managed to get filled, and price, because when I entered that NZD short, I was about 10 pips away from that buy stop activating. And ideally what I wanted was, I wanted the short to be activated, and how NZD USD is a slow pair, I really didn't think that it was gonna get to 10 pips and go the opposite direction. And I didn't really think that was gonna happen, but again, lots of stuff can happen. And the best thing happened. We had a sniper entry, right? Not to the pip because I had to use a certain entry technique, but it was a great position. We were hardly in any drawdown of any of the positions. The only one that was in drawdown was the USD CAD loss, but we ended up closing NZD USD in some nice profit, about 3 to 4%. Now, this was almost perfect because unfortunately for NZD USD, I actually manually exited. I exited about 90 pips before reaching my expected target. The reason being that this was on Thursday, and NZD USD is a very slow pair, and I just wanted to end my week. I wasn't going to make a big deal of 90 pips just because, again, it is a slow pair and I prefer to close everything. The USD CAD position had already closed in around 4 or 5 a.m. on Thursday, so there was no need for me to actually hold this position. There was an opportunity to re-enter if I wanted to place a sell stop just in case price dropped, but it was just something that I didn't want to do. There was no need to actually do that. But overall, this was a great week. I'm so excited because everything worked as how I wanted to plan. We've closed October, was one of the best profitable months I've had this year, and October was a very difficult month, but we still managed to be profitable, and that's what it's all about. Now, next week is going to be very interesting because next week we have the US elections, and I'm still not sure if I'm going to trade or not. It's something that I'm going to see. Ideally, I don't think I am going to trade, but if I see a great setup, then I'll take that. What I've been working on right now is that I've been back testing everything from the 2016 to the 2012, and I may even go back to the 2008 election, and I've been seeing how my positions would have actually, how much I would have lost, how much I would have made if I would have followed my current strategy in those elections, right? So it's going to be interesting. I'll take you guys obviously with that journey with me to see what's going on. But as of right now, this will end episode 1. Now, please leave in the comment section below if you're liking these types of vlogs. If you want me to change it, I'm open to any type of suggestions. And I really do appreciate that you guys are here watching this with me. And I'll talk to you guys next time, all right?